evening, anime fan! Error. Malware detected. Deleting source code. Good evening, anime friends! Before we get started, I wanted to tell you about this episode's sponsor, ZOLABakes.com. That's ZOLABAKES. This rainbow cake is so delicious. It's one of my favorite treats to have while drawing, or if I have a gallery showing, we always attempt to bring them in for our guests. You can custom, K-U-S-T-U-M, order them however you like. The ones I have here are a variety pack, vanilla and chocolate. There are 3 delicious flavors, raspberry, Nutella, and apricot. But each are so delicious, I do not actually have a favorite. The colors remind me of my art, bright, vibrant. The best part about these cakes is that when you give them to someone, it's a big compliment to them. If you're looking for a perfect gift to send to someone, or just want to surprise anybody in your family, order them today. If you're gluten-free, they carry that as well. I can taste the difference. Let me know in the comments if you have tried them or if you plan to order them. The comment which sounds the best. ZOLABakes.com. Follow me on ZOLABakes on Instagram. Now let's get ready for another exciting episode. Alright, now that commercial is completed, let's start tonight's episode by drawing Guy from Ben 10 Omniverse. Now this one's very interesting. We hardly ever get to see him. That's right, fans. We finally get to draw up Guy and finally restore him to our entourage once again. A lot has changed about Guy. I'll explain while we're drawing him, alright? As you have noticed, Guy doesn't have any eyes on the top of his skull. Here's his chest. This is one of the features I've told you about. Guy doesn't have that large eye on his chest like he does on the original classic. I know. Uninteresting, right? I mean, he does launch that, eye on his... He does launch it whenever he wants to. This is the Omnitrix. Here's his arms. And mission completed. There he is. That is how you draw iGuy from Ben 10 Omniverse. I'm proud you all got to enjoy my sponsorship episode special. Please sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And be proud on what you can accomplish. And let me know what fighter you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. This episode is sponsored by ZOLA Bakes. Good night.